You're watching How to Solve with PLS Berry. Ever felt drained after being around too many people? That's not weakness. That's your brain telling you recharge differently. Introverts don't just enjoy quiet, they need it. Alone time isn't isolation. It's a chance to reconnect with yourself. It's recharging their inner battery. Science shows introverts have higher sensitivity to dopamine, meaning too much external stimulation actually overloads their system. So when they step back, you save that. They're not avoiding people. They're protecting focus. This is their secret weapon, deep focus. While others chase noise, introverts master silence. They can dive for hours into a single idea until it becomes something powerful. Silence isn't a void, it's precision. In a world that talks too exactly, everyone's always saying something, but are they really listening? Introverts don't rush to reply. They listen, and that's why people trust them. Silence can heal more than words ever could. Tag someone who listens more than they speak. You've been told to speak up your whole life. In a world that can't stop talking, introverts remind us that silence can also be strength. Because power isn't always loud. Sometimes it whispers. So stop trying to be louder. Just be more you. The world already has enough noise. What it needs is your quiet power. Comment below if you're proud to be quiet. Speaking of overthinking, you ever stare at ramen and wonder why it never gets soggy in Korea? You think it's just noodles? Nope, it's science. Next episode, we'll solve that mystery.